What's up friends, welcome to this video. Friends, I will share with you how to delete business portfolio on Facebook. So friends, follow me in this step. Open your Facebook, friends, and click see more, and then scroll down. You see this option, friends, ads manager. Click this ads manager. After that, friends, you see open ads manager from here and choose any account you want to choose business portfolio, for example this one, and then click this one and go to this gay icon, and then look, wait a few seconds friends, and then you see this option. You see this option, friends, as you can see here, permanently deleted business. Click this one and click delete portfolio. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content. Just click this one, friends, this icon to delete your business meta suite. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you in another video soon. Don't skip like, give share this video for more content about Facebook.